Hadian ke jing perngam ke Voice of the People Party ban pynlong da ke jiki syong kelai merngor hakmat ke sekretariat ban sedang hakakat kendai teri kulalengkot arajar apusau namar ke jing bam sengap ke sorkar hakabai de ba ke jing dawa ban thung kambiang ya laingut ki ophisar ke Meghalaya lokayukta ki blasyak weng kam jubor kanong aiktian ke sorkar MDA2 ke Dr Ampareen lingdo hakakat prateri kulalengkot arajar apusau kelami ban pensai biang halor ke tekaman Habakran sigilat patai kubor ka Dr Ampareen kala pensai ba ka jingweng kam ki ophisar kam de ka balong beaiñ bat ka de kat kum ki kendon ka loka yukta nolor kata kalau ongru ba ka sorkar kam don bor ban thung khot ha ka loka yukta hanrei kala tang ban pha ki kerteng kala Kyrpad ya ka VPP bakan wat da ki wei ki lat kilenti ban yekren bat ka sorkar halor ki nu ki mat ki ba kim sung thu Shushu kala Kyrpad ya ki nu ki seng bakin kiar ban pynlong ya ki jingïakhih.
My humble request to the political party VPP to please kindly understand that the explanation given to us, given to the public by us just a couple of days ago on the so-called controversial removal of members of the Lokayukta is a regular activity. There has been no malified intention, nor has there been any violation of any procedure or process of law. We are guided by the Lokayukta Act, which already initiates that members of the Lokayukta are to be officials who are currently employed at the levels of undersecretary or secretary in the government bureaucracy. We understand that there was a deviation from the prerequisite of the act, that at that point of time, because of the exigency, because of the necessity of operationalizing the Lokayukta Act, which had been implemented in the state of Meghalaya, and at that point of time there were not suitable officials who could be assigned these important responsibilities of members of the Lokayukta. And as said, once this anomaly was detected and once it was brought to the attention of the government merely initiated a new list to be placed before the disposal of the Honorable Lokayukta to then ensure that anomalies that arose at the initial stage of the notification of members to the important constitutional body of the Lokayukta, and that any other interpretation on this matter is away from the actual procedure and processes adopted by the government. And hence my request to the members of the VPP is to have faith that the government has merely executed an order as per the act, and that the government is not the authority that appoints members to the Lokayukta, but can only be empowered to send a panel of names to correct an anomaly that was initiated when the Lokayukta was first operationalized in the state of Meghalaya. We have also requested all organizations in the state of Meghalaya to deter from having any protests or processions in and around the ring road circulating the secretariat. We do not want to be faced in any adverse position with any members of the public under any political organization or NGO. We want to avert any conflict, and we would wish to see that the VPP understands this entire situation that we are at, and we request the VPP to adopt a more suitable way out or way forward to discuss any issue that is not yet clarified in their minds. My offer at this point of time is that the VPP as a political party can seek appointment with the Honorable Chief Minister if any further clarification needs to be given to them. Adopting a model of conflict to air a grievance by staging sit-outs, by organizing processions is not a very positive way of telling your government or expressing to your government your concerns on certain matters. And I hope that we do not see a conflicting situation emerging, because at the end of the day, government, including the opposition, must act responsibly, and we appeal to the VPP to accordingly seek further clarification with the Honorable Chief Minister and the concerned departments if further clarification is required.